Namaste children, welcome to my channel. Today's topic is from Madhuban Saral Hindi Patmala, class 4 and chapter 7, Bulb Jala. So bulb means light, Jala means to lit. So lit a lamp, otherwise lit a light. Ma rasoi घर में थी. So rasoi घर means kitchen. So mom was in the kitchen. पिताजी उनकी सहायता कर रहे थे. So father was helping mother. आज घर में कई मेहमान आने वाले थे. So today's few of the guests are going to come to our house. तभी आनंद को कुछ स्मरण हो आया. So suddenly आनंद thought of something. वह भागा हुआ अपने कमरे की ओर गया. So he ran towards his room. पर दरवाजे में ही लौट आया. So he just went near this room. So till the entrance he just went and he returned back. माँ पापा मैं आपको कुछ दिखाना चाहता हूँ. So mom and dad, I just want to show you something. आज मुझे रिपोर्ट कार्ड मिला है. Today I got my report card. पापा ने तौलिए से हाथ पोंछते हुए कहा तो ले आओ ना. So तौलिए means towel. So father was wiping his hands in the towel and he said, तो then go and bring it. वहाँ अंधेरा है, कैसे जाऊं? So आनंद was telling, so darkness is there, so how will I go? आनंद ने कुछ हिचकते हिचकते कहा. So with some hesitation he was telling this. अंधेरा है तो दौड़कर बल्ब जला लो, माँ ने कहा. So if the darkness is there, then go and just lit the lamp, mother said. वह बाहर गया. So he went out. अपनी 3 वर्ष की बहन को हाथ पकड़कर कसकर पकड़ा, बोला विशी चलो मेरे साथ. So his 3 years old sister was outside, so he went out and he just holded his 3 years old sister and said, विशी चलो मेरे साथ, विशी come with me. अंदर जाकर बल्ब जलाओ. So go inside and lit the light. पिताजी सुन रहे थे. So father was hearing all this. वे आश्चर्य में पड़ बोले, क्या बात है? So he was surprised and he asked, what is this? What is going on? आनंद को पहले अंदर जाने में क्या समस्या है? So what problem आनंद has in going inside the room? उसने छोटी विशी को भेजा. So he just sent the small girl inside. माँ जोर से हंसी. So mom had a big laughter. बोली आप नहीं जानते. And she said, you don't know. आनंद अंधकार से डरता है. So आनंद is afraid of darkness. इसलिए विशी को पहले भीतर भेज रहा है. So that is why he is sending विशी inside first. पिताजी आनंद के कमरे में गए. So father went inside आनंद's room. उसका रिपोर्ट कार्ड देखा. So he saw his report card. आनंद की पीठ टोकी. He just patted on his back. बोले said, वाह अच्छी रिपोर्ट है. वाह you got a nice report. परिश्रम करो तो अगली बार और सुधार होगा. So if you do hard work, the next time you can also get more good marks. अरे हाँ, माँ कह रही थी तुम अंधेरा से डरते हो. And yes, mom was telling that you are afraid of darkness. जी हाँ, मुझे अंधेरा से बहुत डर लगता है. Yes, I am very much scared of darkness. कमरे के कोने में किसी की छाया बैठी दिखाई देती है जो बल्ब जलते ही भाग जाती है. So I could see some shadow in the corner of the room. So once I lit the lamp, this shadow gets vanished. आनंद ने आंख से नीचे कर कहा. So he was keeping his eyes down and he was telling his father. क्या तुमने उसे भागते हुए देखा है? So father was asking, have you ever saw this shadow getting vanished? That means getting run away. पिताजी ने पूछा. So father asked him. नहीं पापा मैंने उसे कभी नहीं देखा. आनंद झिझकते हुए बोला. So he was telling with kind of a hesitation, no I have never seen this kind of a scenario. I never seen any shadow running away. तो फिर डर किससे रहे हो? Then why you with which you are getting scared of? छाया है यह तुम्हारा भ्रम है. So भ्रम means fiction. So it's a shadow. It's just a fiction. छाया रोशनी से डरती है और तुम अंधेरे से. So this shadow is scared of brightness and you are scared of this darkness. क्या तुम जानते हो अंधेरा भगाने वाले बल्ब किसने बनाया था? So do you know who invented this bulb which would remove the darkness. पिताजी ने कंधे पर हाथ रखकर कहा. So he just keeping his hands on Anand's shoulders and he was asking this question. आनंद ने सिर हिलाया. So he was nodding his head. विशी कूदकर पापा की गोद में चढ़ गई. So विशी jumping out and she just climbed on father's lap. वे बैठते हुए बोले. So he was sitting and he was telling, आनंद, ये बल्ब एडिसन ने बनाया था. So Edison only invented the bulb first. उसका पूरा नाम था थॉमस अल्वा एडिसन. So his complete name is Thomas Alva Edison. तुम तो पढ़ने में बहुत होशियार हो. So you are very clever in studying. वैसे भी बहुत चतुर हो and also you are very clever. पर एडिसन का मन पढ़ने लिखने में नहीं लगता था. Whereas Edison never would like to read and write. You don't want to study. उसके शिक्षक हमेशा उसकी शिकायत करते रहते थे. So his teacher was always complaining about him. एडिसन का मन कुछ तोड़कर नया बनाने का काम में खूब लगता. So Edison would always like to break something and would like to make something. घर के एक कोने में बैठा वक्त चीजों को ध्यान से देखता. So he used to sit in the corner of the house and he used to look at everything with full concentration. कुछ तोड़ता, कुछ बनाता. So few he breaks and few he makes. एडिसन बहुत परिश्रमी था. बड़ी लगन से काम करता. So Edison was a very hard worker. With care he was doing all work. वह कुछ नया बनाना चाहता था. So he wanted to do new things. बल्ब बनाने में एडिसन को कई वर्ष लगे. So in inventing a bulb, it took many years for him. It took many years for him to invent a bulb. इस बीच उसने बहुत से ऐसे औजार बनाए जो प्रतिदिन हमारे काम आते हैं. So in between he made many equipments which are in our daily use. तुम्हारे नाना जी के घर जो पुराना ग्रामोफोन है उसका नमूना भी एडिसन ने बनाया था. So namuna means example. So whatever you see the gramophone in your grandpa's house, the same example, Edison has made a same example of that. उसने लगभग 200 चीज की खोज की. So he invented approximately 200 things like that. 100 things. उन्हें संवारा और काम में आने लायक बनाया. So experimented everything and he put it into use. All these things he put it into use. आज एडिसन का नाम संसार के प्रसिद्ध वैज्ञानिकों में गिना जाता है. So today, Edison is being counted as one of the famous scientists amongst the other scientists in the world. अच्छा, अब मैं बत्ती बुझाने लगा. So now I will switch off the light. मुझे दिखाना वह छाया किस कोने में है. So just show me where this shadow is. In which corner is it? ऐसा कहते कहते वे विशी को उठा कमरे से बाहर चले गए. So telling this he lifted विशी and he came out of the room. आनंद ने इधर उधर देखा. So आनंद सा हिरन दे डरते डरते कोने की तरफ बढ़ा. So by scaring he just went towards the corner. आंख बंद कर सोचने लगा. So closing his eyes he was just thinking, क्या एडिसन बचपन में अंधेरा से डरता होगा? So what Edison would be scared of the darkness during his childhood? नहीं, मैं भी क्यों डरूं? No, why should I feel scared of? उसने आंखें खोली. So he just opened up his eyes. भाई भाग चुका था. So this scaredness ran out of him. That means he never got scared. वह चिल्लाया. So he screamed, पापा यहाँ कोई नहीं है. So father is no one. और मुझे डर भी नहीं लग रहा. So and even I don't feel scared. मैं स्वयं बटन दबाऊंगा और एडिसन का बल्ब जलाऊंगा. So from now onwards I will switch on the light and off the light. So which has been invented by Edison. वह कमरे से बाहर आया फिर अकेला भीतर गया. So he came out of the room and he went inside the room. बटन दबाया. He just switched on the light. कमरा प्रकाश से जगमगा उठा. So this room was completely filled up with brightness. वह हंसते हुए बोला. So smilingly he said, अब मैं अंधेरा से नहीं डरता. So now I don't feel of scaredness. अंधेरा मुझसे डरता है क्योंकि मेरे पास है एडिसन का बल्ब. So this darkness is afraid of me. Why? Because I have the bulb invented by Edison. बल्ब जला, अंधेरा भागा. So the light has been lit and the darkness vanished. So this is all the story about a small kid getting scared of the darkness. So hope I've explained you line by line. So do well and read well. Thank you.